Hi friends, this is the look outside in the Sweden and आज हम ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं बाई 4 व्हीलर और कार। और आप देख सकते हैं बाहर का व्यू जो है कितना अच्छा है। See the view guys, it's very amazing today and you can feel like a heaven here. And there is agriculture land where farmers do farmers do the farming here, and you can see the weather. It looks very nice. Even outside the weather is 10 to 12 degree today, and it seems it's very nice today. Just see the closer view and just see the sky, how clean it's. Friends, you will enjoy each and every moment from any of the location, and I'll update you all the things related to Sweden. So guys, be with me every time, see all the updates in this YouTube channel, and basically like the video and comments as well. And this is the next station. You can see the train just started to slow down, and those type of houses we have in Sweden, which are not normally seen in India or other countries like in US or in Germany. In Germany, basically those are old. You can see this station is Osby. Osby is a little bit near to Elmult, and it has around 25 kilometer, I think, or not 25 exactly. It's 8 to 10 kilometer from Elmult. So some people are also living in basically Osby, and I'll also see
अरे यार ठीक है ना, आपला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
cabin
आपल्या बाजूने सुद्धा होत आहे असं विचारायला लागलेलं लोकांना, म्हणजे काही फरक नाही पडत. होईल वाईट होऊन काय होईल, आपल्या विरुद्ध तर नाही येणार असं वाटतं.
Guys, you will love the nature, and you will love the weather outside, I think.